In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Gemini here in Google Sheets. So if you're new to using Gemini and you want to know how to open it or use it, this video is for you. So this video is part of our Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. And if you don't have access to Gemini yet, I do have a separate video about this where I show you how to get Gemini for free. If you're interested in that video, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Going back to this video, if you are again new into using Gemini, there's so many ways on how you can open it. The first one would be the most obvious one with this Gemini icon right here that if we hover over it, it will say Ask Gemini. If we click on it, it will open our Gemini panel on the right side. So this is where you can start putting in your prompt, asking your questions, or anything about your data. Another way for you to open Gemini would be to go to the end of your menu bar and select Gemini. So if you have access to Gemini, you will see this option at the end of your menu bar. If we click on it, here are the different options that we can do. Again, there is so much that we can do with Gemini, and these are just some of them. So if we, let's say, select this one right here, analyze our data, that would automatically, again, open our Gemini panel on the right side and start analyzing your data. So whatever you choose from Gemini here on your menu bar, it will automatically open your Gemini panel on the right side. So it has finished analyzing our data. We have some visualizations, key takeaways, and explanations on what our data is all about. Let me just close that. And last but not least, a separate option where you would actually see Gemini would be to go to Insert here in the menu bar and select Generate a Table. Now this is similar with our Gemini. If you go back to Gemini, Generate a Table, that would be the same thing. So if we click on this one, Generate a Table, it will open our Gemini panel on the right side and start our prompt with this one. Create a table that. So whichever you choose from the options right here, it would open your Gemini panel on the right side, and there you have it. So those are 3 easy ways on how you can open Gemini and get started with your data here in Google Sheets. Now, if you're interested in watching more videos on how to use Gemini with Google Sheets, I have a full playlist and I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.